don't I just don't know quite what to say. It's been a good year. The NASCAR went well. I got my Edelbrock tattoo. The thing is fucking sick, man. I mean, like, fucking badass. And, yeah, we're getting ready to head out to Vegas. My sister, she's gonna be getting married. So we're going down there, hoping to do some dynamite fishing. Probably gonna do a lot of whiskey drinking and a little hanging out. I took out a third mortgage. I'm hoping to win the blackjack. Gonna take it home, baby. And, if not, I got like 10 grand. Gonna go down to the Bunny Ranch and, see if I can't get one of them little bunner jugglers to, go to bed with me. See if I can't have a kid with one and stick him for life. Fuck yeah. Hopefully they'll stay with me, though. I already got child support on like 20 kids, man. I'm like making $10 a week, man. Fuck that. Fucking working for Walmart Trucking Center, man. Some bullshit. I love trucking, though. Big old stacks, man. I tell you what, when I'm out by the ladies in that truck, fucking stick that thing in 5th gear on a hill, flood it out, blow black smoke everywhere. They love that shit. They fucking love it. But, yeah, we're going to be heading out there, so I'm going to get back on here. I'll give you an update. Let's see, here in about, I don't know, let's say a week or so. Tell you how it went. Put up some pictures of my sister. Tell you how everything's going.